Hi, my name is Adita Gundapuri. I'm managing partner for the company G&T Harshitha Foods, and we are based out of Hyderabad. We are a manufacturing unit for peanut butter. We manufacture all varieties of natural grade and preservative grade peanut butters and supply across India. And we are today placed in IPLCM Expo in Mumbai. And these 3 days we have been having terrific response in terms of business, and the definition of IPLCM is met is what I feel. It's been pleasure to be participating in IPLCM, and our brand Lazy Man and our company G&T Harshitha Foods, being private label manufacturers or contract manufacturers, had a terrific experience, and we got tremendous response from crowd across India. And we thank IPLCM for conducting this, and we request them to be keep conducting this, and we'll keep participating for business. Thanks for that.